Hi, I'm Tara. Thanks for joining me. Today we are going to be opening Cricut's Red Carpet Mystery Box. So the Red Carpet Mystery Box I have not opened yet. I have my little true control knife ready to slice my box open, and I'm going to open it up with you. All right, let's get into opening this up. Okay, I'm ready to open my Red Carpet Mystery Box from Cricut. So, let me turn this around here. Oh, cute. They have like a little picture inside of the actual box. Little Cricut Cuties. I'm just a sucker for the Cricut Cuties. Here's my Cricut Cutie. We'll open him last. I'm not sure if he's in camera frame, but he's going to stay right there for now. Okay, so one of the first things is heat resistant tape, which I use, and I do use Cricut brand. And I'm happy to have a roll because I could use another roll. I've been getting low and I didn't want to have to go buy some, but now I don't because I got all of this. Oh, that's the other thing with Cricut mystery boxes. When you purchase them, if you were to individually purchase each of these items, it would cost much more than when you purchase them in this little bundle, basically. So you're saving money by getting the mystery boxes also. And the only way to find out what's in them is by watching someone on YouTube sharing with you what's in them. Now, so Cricut Smart Permanent Vinyl. I do have Cricut Maker 3, a Cricut Maker 3, but if you don't, you can still use this material. You just have to put it on a mat. So it comes in a big roll that's 3 feet long. So I can use this without a mat because it's smart material. That's what makes it smart. It's got a thick backing on it. But if you don't have a Cricut Maker 3 or an Explorer 3, Explorer 3 is also, I believe, cut smart material, you can just cut it to whatever size you need and then put it on a mat. So there's that. Okay, next we have premium vinyl, and this is removable matte. However, if you're doing a project for something that's like a home decor project that you're gonna just hang on a wall or set on a counter on something, this will usually stick depending on what the surface is you're putting it on. It should stick and last a long time, but you're not gonna wanna use removable vinyl if you're gonna have it like put numbers on a mailbox or put it on a sign that's gonna be outside and get a lot of wear and tear in it. You're gonna want more permanent adhesive vinyl. So that would be this one. This is permanent adhesive vinyl, and then this one is a removable matte. And I also like the matte because the matte is like the sheen on it. It's a matte finish, so it's not shiny. And then we have a 12 inch by 24 inch sheet of strong bond or everyday iron-on. So we've got one long sheet of black iron-on, and then we have a Sports Flex iron-on that is 11.8 inches, interesting, by 24 inches. Oh, that's weird. Oh, it really is just a little tiny bit. That's weird. I'm just thinking out loud here. So this is for nylon and polyester. So that's what this special Sport Flex. So if you have polyester that you want to put iron-on and you have not had success with other iron-ons, then this is what you want, the Sport Flex. And some of the Sport Flex have little holes in them, but this one does not. This is just a nice solid piece of white heat transfer vinyl, also known as iron-on. And then, if you guys know me and you know my channel, I like smart sticker paper cardstock. Not everyone does, but I do, and I found a lot of uses for it. and I think it's great because you don't have to use glue. So this is 10 sheets of smart paper sticker cardstock, and it is smart, so I don't have to use a mat. But if you don't have a cutting machine that will take smart material, you can just cut it and place it onto a mat and still use it, and you're gonna love this stuff. Like, more people should give this a try. I feel like people get scared of it and they hold back, and don't do that. Okay, I have a standard grip mat. Wait. Is there one or two? Oh, there's two standard grip mats in here. Okay, so I have a standard grip mat, or two standard grip mats that come in here. And we also have a light grip mat, just one light grip mat, but we have two of the standard grip, which I use a lot of. So this is nice because these are usually really pricey and not inexpensive when it comes to Cricut brand. So that's it, except for our Cricut Cutie. And he is, does he have a name? Merlot. Makes me think of a glass of wine. So I'm guessing he's a nice little burgundy color, and he's only my 4th Cricut Cutie I've ever had as of the filming of this. So here he is. This is the Cricut Cutie. They're so cute to collect. I have a little shelf, that's why I'm looking behind me, or behind you rather, back there, that has my cute little Cricut Cuties. So he's gonna go join his little friends. So this is the red carpet mystery box. So thank you so much for joining us today, me and Merlot. And if you want to continue to follow me for future crafting tutorials, I do a lot of Cricut crafts, but not everything is cricketing. I do throw some things in, like how to make fuzzy sock cupcakes, which is a fun little video. If you haven't checked it out, you should. And if you want to follow me, then make sure that you hit subscribe. It doesn't cost anything to hit the subscribe button. So go ahead and do that. And then if you found benefit from this video, or you just found me fun to hang out with, hit the like button. I always appreciate it. And until next time, check out another one of my videos.